This is in, of course, their handlers, their managers, their designers. We're given a piece of cloth, now that we get to see them, na kailangan nilang designan and incorporate in just a few hours in nature. Of course, they make an ensemble. So with that, I think that deserves a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
I think for this segment, the challenge is to look expensive nang hindi masyadong nahahalata that this is just a piece of cloth or, fabric. Na parang mukha dapat siya lang buong creation, something like that.
As I told you earlier, I've seen some outfits na hindi ko alam, natahipan nila.
Yes.
Diba? Nabigyan pa nila ng mga natahiyan. But of course, it's not on our hands. It's on the hands of our judges kung sino nga ba ang pipiliin nila as their top picks. Starting off with Sir Carlo.
Yes, okay, for the DIY, my choice is number 9.
Number 9! Of course, with the Pixie line, saving her life.
Yeah.
So what's number 1?
For grade number 9, I love the bag. Match with the fabric, especially. This is tapeta. Tapeta lang siya, pero yun nga, mamahalin, no? Naging mamahalin sa execution na ginawa na.
Ito yung show na together with the fan and everything.
Yeah, with the bag, with the fan, right, diba? And then the sheet.
Right.
Okay. And then for my house, I'll go with number 20.
20!
Go ahead and step forward.
Yeah.
Number 20.
Masyado kong amazed with the fans na
Pick sa kanya.
and then tayo sukat sa kanya, pick na sa kanya. And then of course yung, what's this, the neckline, no? Maganda, bagay sa kanya. At very good. Diba? Okay? So congratulations.
Congratulations, very good. I hope I don't know how these handlers or designers are able to even stitch this piece of fabric in just a few hours. So job.
For my babe, I really cannot imagine each were given 1 yard per color and they were able to put up with this collection. So for my babe, my choice is number 17.
Hey, number 17!
And for my mom, I choose, actually ko lang kung ano na doon, pants or shorts. Number 25.
25! Oh, number 25!
Nice.
Actually, Family Garter, sa mga nakakano, they're able to do it. Even the top and everything, it's amazing.
Mukhang may nagkano ng makina box.
Oo. I think, ayoko na, baka ma-racist joke ako eh. Pero baka ang laging sa parang nagtatabi backstage. And last but not least, Miss Jen.
For the babe, it's babe number 12.
Babe number 12! If I'm not mistaken, it's cat again. Yes.
And for the mom, it's number 18.
Oh, number 18! You know what, I actually like this in some as well. I felt a whole hell about this one. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our top 3 husband babes in the DIY outfit. They put, of course, the top husband babe will get 3,000 pesos and the handler will even get 2,000 pesos.
And then we'll be announcing the winners later on. Before the end of the show. Anyway, thank you so much, and of course, congratulations to our hunks and babes. You may now prepare for our next segment. It's gonna be showing more skin. This one. And again, candidates, change quick. Ang hirap mag-stretch. Kidding. But yeah, go ahead and change very, very quick, alright?